to Little Luxuries with Lynn. I'm Lynn Marie. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to go through a subscription box called Celebrate States. With Celebrate States, you explore a different state each month by receiving 5 to 7 quality goods from local and small U.S. businesses, plus interactive and fun information on each celebrated state. Right now, they are running a promo of 30% off if you sign up for a 3-month subscription, and that would bring it to $42.33 a month. I had been graciously given this box, but if you go monthly, it is $45 a month. If you were to sign up for a year in advance, it is $35 a month. So it's a significant savings, and you get to learn in depth more about 12 additional states. Well, let's get into it. Ooh, it's heavy, goodness. I've not opened, I've cut open, and that's about all that I have done. So here's what we see when we open the box. All right. I see there's a handwritten note from the owner. They work very hard at completing all these orders. All right, so here's this box. This is the Florida box. What is in your Florida vacation box? So here they're telling me that for a limited time only, choose the Florida option at checkout, and the code is Florida10 for $10 off your first box. So there's several promotions that you could take advantage of. All right, so let's do some exploring. All right, so I love this. So in advance, it's wonderful to get some of these flyers to get to know the areas that you may want to explore more in depth. So they've sent you Busch Gardens, Kennedy Space Center, Survival of the Slowest, Florida Museum of Natural History, Florida's Hollywood Beach and Downtown Visitor's Guide, Discovery Cove Orlando, SeaWorld, which is a map of SeaWorld, Airboat Adventures at Boggy Creek, and Butterfly World. These are fantastic to have, and it's something good to give the kids in advance to a vacation so they can read up and get to know and learn more about each of the events and places you're going to tour. That's fantastic. All right, so I also see something that looks like can be colored. Oh, fun. The 27th state, Florida, the Sunshine State. That's really cool to give to the kids. Wow. So right on top, this has information on each of the little areas that they're going to just explore. For instance, Tommassi Craft, Miami, Florida. And it goes on and tells about the item that's in here. So let's go ahead and find that. It says it's the alligator egg gum, is a fun candy packaged in Florida candy. Tommassi Craft offers decorative shells, magnets, and other fun Florida items. Well, let's see if we can find that in here. Oh, there is a ton of stuff in here. Is this it? Huh. Okay. I'll make sure I'm pulling out the right thing. The alligator gum candy. This comes at a great time because I'm going to be getting to see a lot of my nephews and niece up in Wisconsin, and they're going to appreciate all of this. Florida orange fun fact, Florida gator fun fact. So there's even learning information on the back of each of these. All right, then it talks about the Far Reach Ranch Blueberry Jam from Tavers, Florida. Let's see if we can find that in here. This might be it. Yep, this is it. It is blueberry jam from the Far Reach Ranch. Wow. That should be fantastic to try. It says the farm was established in 1947 as a cattle ranch and orange grove and eventually became a blueberry farm in 1994 when the first few acres were planted. Since then, the blueberry fields have grown to several dozen acres and multiple varieties of blueberries. Strawberry fields were added in 2019 and we're currently expanding into peaches and other produce. They offer you-pick blueberries, strawberries, craft jams, honey, and baked goods. And the ingredients on this is blueberries, sugar, fruit pectin, and lemon juice. That's it. No other ugly junk. This will be fun to try. All right, next is Light of Love, Orlando, Florida. Light of Love. I'm gonna guess. No, it's a hand-poured candle with crystals on top. There's a lot in the box. Here it is. This is Clearwater Beach, Florida, bamboo coconut hand-poured scented candle. And there are crystals right on the top of it. And it smells just like coconut with a bit of honey or sweetness to it. It's very good. This will be fun to light this week. I'll be taking all of this on vacation with us and sharing this information with all of our family. This would be a great box to subscribe to and learn in detail about different states like this. All right, then there is Sweet Pete's Candy, Jacksonville, Florida. Sweet Pete's is the largest candy store in the Southeast, located in a historic 22,000 square foot mansion in the heart of downtown Jacksonville. Sweet Pete's not only offers thousands of varieties of candy and handcrafted chocolates, but they bring guests into the candy making experience. That sounds like that would be fun. Each day, Sweet Pete's hosts candy classes, parties, and field trips where candy lovers from all over learn about candy. Families and friends come to Sweet Pete's to taste great candy and share a unique experience. Let's see what we got from Sweet Pete's. I remember these when we were kids. Wow. The little dots that you chewed off the paper. Oh, I'm sure they're much better now. I remember the paper dissolving in our mouths as children. I'm sure it's better. Probably tastes much better now too. All right. And then it's Divine Goddess Soaps, Orlando, Florida. They have developed a safe alternative to chemically charged soaps and bath products. Divine Goodness Soaps are a natural, ethically sourced green life product that smells great and vegan friendly. You can find her soaps on Facebook. I think that's wonderful. I'm glad that we can get to find more of her items on Facebook. You've got to see this. This is really beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that something? Yeah. Handcrafted. Okay. And it's really pretty rad. Takes the time to put that little bow on each one. Goodness. And this one is called Enchanted Love Spell. It smells like a love spell. It sure does. All right. And then, oh, on the back, there's more. Made by a Bee, Groveland, Florida. I'm gonna guess there's some honey in here somewhere. Oh, look at this. It's packaged real nicely. Let me unwrap it for us so you can see the jar. Oh my goodness, look at that. That tiny little bee on there. And the tiny little jar of honey. Oh, my husband will enjoy this. He likes to put this on his peanut butter sometimes, on toast. All right. And this is a small family-owned beekeeping business in Groveland, Florida, about 40 minutes west of Orlando. Alan and Ben started the journey of this company in February 2015. They maintain the determination that by giving bees the respect they deserve, they are able to offer the finest honey and products available, educate the community, and inspire all people to live happier and healthier lives. That's lovely. Okay, the next one is Submerge Bath and Body, Sanford, Florida. Oh, I do know what this item is. Look at this. These amazing bath bombs are mermaid kisses and have an amazing scent. Joy also creates shower steamers, soaps, bath salts, as well as other relaxing products for the bath and body. You can find her shop on Etsy. That's fantastic. And you know, there it is. That's the name of her company, and you can't read it very well, but that's the scent. I will link everything down below of each of the products for each of the different cities listed here. All right, and then last but not least, Wrens Gifts, New Smyrna Beach, Florida. All Wrens Gifts items are made by hand. This beachy hand-stitched drink holder will keep your drinks cool in style. You can find Wrens Gifts on Etsy, another Etsy shop. Oh, it's a can cooler. Wow. Sure, she makes these at her home. And then it just velcros around your can of soda or adult beverage. And then here is her business card she sent right along with it. Again, I will link this information down below. Well, what did you think of Florida? You get plenty to choose from, a lot of different samplings, and I love that you get all the information along with it and the children education portion of it. I like this very much. This was brand new to me, so I'm getting to enjoy this just as you are watching there at home. Well, thanks so much for hanging out with me. And I'd love to get some feedback, what you thought of this box, what were some of your favorite things, or maybe if you have some questions about one of these products, please reach out to me, comment below. Again, thank you so much. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the little bell. That all helps my channel so I can continue this great content. Have a great day. Bye.